Okay, boys and girls, it's that time of the day. It's actually 6 o'clock this morning, so we're going to be going in a little bit earlier than we normally do. But you can still do this round a day job because 6 o'clock's not out of the ordinary. I've got to pop out in half an hour. I'm taking Winky to an appointment, so I'm starting early. So let's have a quick look. What are we going to be doing? I've already gave this out to the guys in the Discord so you can kind of see what we're looking at. Well, this morning the US is tumbled a little bit overnight, but it's still mid-range, so gold can still go either way, but it's kind of telling me to sell it this morning. Okay, so I'm looking for sells. Now I can also up my ante a little bit because we've increased the bid size. So I'm going to quickly, put that back. I'm going to quickly drop a bid in now. We're going to bump this up to 80, sell. So we've put our sell order in, okay, and we're now at 80p. Now, what we are looking to do is just get it down to about there. Very, very simple. Right, let me explain. It's hold under this level, so I'm quite happy with that. And you can see there's a downward motion on the 5 minute. Now, if I push this out to the hourly, what we can see is it's steadily moving down in waves against this bit here. So yes, it may well push up a little bit to here and then back down. I'm quite prepared for that. Not overly worried. I mean, if I'm really ambitious, I can hold it down to here. But at the moment, the only thing that I really wanted to do is grab about a fiver or so, and then I'll carve it out little by little. Now, just while it's having a bit to think, let me just pull this sheet back in and we'll explain. Now, that's exactly what I've been doing. Now, we restarted this month. I have taken sort of little chunks out of it each time, as you can see. Get a fiver, stop. Get a fiver, stop. You know, 2 or 3 quid, stop. Because the daily allowance is only sort of 138 in order to hit my target. So I don't have to go gun-ho, but because I restarted this, I wanted to catch up. So I'm over leveraging it a little bit. That's how much it should really be for a maximum bid. However, if I'm sort of taking advantage of the 500 to 1 leverage, because this is BlackBull, I can push the boat out to 83. I can actually go a damn sight higher than that, but I don't really want it to go much more than that. Okay, so what's that? Well, this is what it should be. That's 2 times that. Okay, that's kind of where I've come to, and it's just for me to catch up a little bit, and then I'll calm it back down because I'm going to cap that at £1. I'm not going to let it go beyond £1. All right, and then we'll just put that down into here. We'll see what's going on. If I go back out to the 4 hour, again, you can see it's on a steady decline down. It's had a good push. It's broke a moving average, broke the level. Down into here is not the realms of impossibility. So we'll go about halfway, which is about there. And I'll live with that. So we'll just watch it, see what happens over the course of the next sort of 20 minutes. I will have to switch the camera off if I'm not done because I'm leaving at 6:30. And if it's finished, brilliant. If not, I'm just going to monitor it on my phone as a P&L, and then I'll just kill the thing off. But hopefully we can get the trade done before I've got to go. And that's it. This ain't hard. Oh, here we go. It's starting to push a little bit now. Come on, down. I just want a fiver or so because it's all I need. So let's have a look. Where are we at? So it's 331.84. So a tenner would be nice to break the balance. Just get that over a fiver or something. Let's have a look. Come on, down. So what I'll do is I'll set the, well, there we go. That'll take it over into, come on. I want it to slam in. Oh, it's like waiting for Christmas, isn't it? But hey ho. Right, I'll have a quick slurp of coffee. What I'll do is I'll just leave the camera running and drop a bit of music on, and I'll come back to it when we're done. Okay, boys and girls, boom, job's done. There you go, £6.4. That's me finished on this for today. So we're just going to flick that over. Yes, I could have had more, but I do need to pop out. So I don't need to. So let's just drop that in. So we're doing really well. So 331. 84, sticking at 5%. We're actually at 80p now, 604, and we were looking for the morning surge. There it is there, which has come in to give us our investment as well. So I'm quite happy, and we're now up to 337, 97% hit rate. I can live with that. Now, I could have held it, but just take the money. That's the advisable thing. Walk away and your account builds up. Now, what I'll be looking with this is to start putting in some rules for June, because we're coming into that soon. And I'll talk to you about that as we go. But it's kind of what I talk to the squad about all the time. It's what I'm taking the squad through. So if you're interested in the journey, do come along to the squad. You'll see it every day. Talk about what I'm doing, why we're doing it, because we have face-to-face Zoom every day. And also show you exactly how I trade. Simple as that. So there we go. So this is a quick one off the cuff. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.